how to delete Google Lens photos on iPhone. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you delete or remove Google Lens photos on iPhone. So let's get started. On this process, at first I will want to notify you that there is no any such application that you can open Google Lens on your iPhone. So for that, you'll have to just use the Google Lens feature from the Google Photos. Alright, so after you open the Google Photos, you'll have to just open any picture from where you want to use the Google Lens feature. So in my case, I have opened this image, and after opening the Google Photos, you'll get such interface. So from here, at the bottom, you'll have to just tap on the option search, and after you tap on that search option, you'll be able to use Google Lens feature from here. And now from here, to delete the Google Lens photos, you'll have to just delete the entire photos from your iPhone gallery. So that is the only one method. And although you can also remove the photos from your Google Photos by opening a trash on your Google Photos. So for that, back from here and from the section, tap on correction just at the bottom, and now from here, tap on trash just at the top right corner. Okay, so from the trash section, you can manually remove the picture from here. So this is the alternative method. If this video was helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.